let's make the viral Olympic chocolate muffins. Norwegian swimmer Henrik Christiansen has been sharing his love of the muffins in the Olympic Village throughout the Games, creating incredibly fun videos about the sweet treat. The videos have been watched millions of times, with other athletes from around the village jumping on the trend and creating their own muffin content. The muffins are made by French company cupcake, and while the exact recipe for the maxi muffin with intense chocolate hasn't been revealed, keen bakers on social media have worked it out for themselves. The recipe I'm making is adapted from Jordan the Stallion's video, with a few tweaks like using up a broken bar of baking chocolate instead of chocolate chunks, and making them cupcake size rather than giant muffin size. Cheers! Oh yum! The recipe made 20.5 muffins, so in the spirit of science, I delivered some to my colleague Sesson for a second opinion.
Perfect! Oh my goodness. So good! Okay, here we go. Oh my god. So good. I fully understand where the Muffin Man was coming from. This is so good.